How to play music while playing Roblox. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to play music while playing Roblox. The first step is to open or launch the Roblox app on your device, just like you can see here. Once you are on the home page of the app, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the More option, which is represented by 3 dots. This will take you to the More page, where you can access several settings. On this page, scroll through the list of options until you find the one named Settings, and tap on it. Once you open the Settings page, scroll again and tap on the option named Privacy and Content Restrictions. Wait for the page to fully load, and you will see several controls related to your Roblox experience. From the options that appear, make sure you disable the microphone option by tapping on the toggle button that appears under the voice chat feature. Disabling the microphone allows you to play music from another app in the background while still playing Roblox, without the audio clashing or being interrupted. After this, you can open any music app of your choice, play the song you want, and then return to Roblox to continue playing while the music runs in the background. This simple setting makes it possible to enjoy Roblox along with your favorite music tracks. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks! That is how to play music while playing Roblox.